Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna do a quick video on the Eonon Android Head Unit made for the Toyota Tacoma. So come on, let's begin. Alright, so again, this is the Eonon Android Head Unit for your Toyota Tacoma 2005 to 2013. So this particular model is a budget-oriented head unit. It costs 170 at the time of recording. If you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. And yeah, so this one has a wireless CarPlay and a wireless Android Auto. Again, this is a plug and play install. I originally planned on doing an actual install video of this particular head unit on the 2008 Tacoma, but unfortunately, I don't have access to that Tacoma anymore. So that's why we're just doing this on the table. So yeah, so for this one again, this particular head unit, it looks good to me. Again, you get what you pay for with the spec wise. This one has a 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigabytes of internal storage. Again, that's not bad. Um, Especially for a head unit, you're not really gonna do multitasking as you do on your tablet or on your phone. So if you're gonna have something like this, most likely you're just gonna do like CarPlay or Android Auto at once at a time. Basically, you're not gonna do Apple CarPlay with Netflix. So or Netflix and YouTube. So you're not gonna do that. You're not even gonna play on this one. So, but you have access to Netflix and YouTube for this one. So again, 3 gigabytes of RAM is enough for this head units. Yeah. So looking into this one, it got the map. I already connected it to my home internet. So you need internet to access the maps. Okay, so if you want, you can download the maps, like the offline maps. You can download those so that you can have the maps while you don't have internet connected to it. So yeah, so for this one, let me show you how to connect this to CarPlay. So let's go to the apps. Let's go to Z-Link. And for this, we have to go to our phone and we have to search for that name, Eonon, on our Bluetooth list. There you go. Once we enter the PIN number, it actually connects to the CarPlay. So this one, again, very quick and easy connection in there. So there you go. So we have our CarPlay in here. So again, when we are driving, that's what we're gonna do. Just gonna be listening to Spotify or to whatever music that we're gonna be listening using our CarPlay or Android Auto if you have Android phones. Now let me show you basically the YouTube side of this one. If you have a kid that you want them to watch while you're driving, you're not supposed to. Be responsible. Don't watch while you're driving. Just let your passenger watch. Or if you're in a parking lot waiting for someone you want to watch, you can watch YouTube. So if you want to watch YouTube, you need internet. So we need to connect that to our internet. And let's open up YouTube. And there you go. I did update the app earlier for this one. So let me just play. All right, so here it's playing some ads now. So I'm gonna skip on that. So this is my own video. So there's no audio, of course. It's not connected to any speakers right now. So there you go. So in this particular video, I am doing a review of a head unit for the 3rd gen Tacoma. And this one looks nice too. So yeah, so again, if you want to watch videos while waiting for someone, you can do so. So let's exit that. It has P2P on it, so that's nice. So if you want, you can open up Netflix and we can close this. There you go. Opening up Netflix. Again, it is responsive. I really like it. So let's watch something. Drive to Survive. Go. Let's just resume this. Again, Netflix loaded up. That's quick. Again, this is very reasonably priced. Yeah. Again, it should be very easy install. It's a plug and play install. As you see here, I just connected this one out to my Jackery and I was able to get it powered on. But with the connection on this one, again, this will be very easy. Here in the back, let me show you. Again, this is very easy to connect. Again, it's just plug and play. This stuff in here goes to your factory harness. You just plug it in. If you want to use your actual radio, you just connect the actual radio antenna connection into this one. Yeah, you have USB, dual USB. If you have a factory USB, you can connect it using this one. So it comes with the adapter that you need. You have reverse camera connection in here also. Again, very easy install, plug and play. So I really wish I had that access to the Tacoma to show you the install of this one. But again, this is a very reasonably priced head unit. I keep saying it because it is. So again, if you're just doing CarPlay and YouTube sometimes, you're not multitasking, but you're not supposed to do multitasking really when you're driving. Again, this is a great head unit to get. If you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. Again, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.